Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you some tips on how to lose weight without going to the gym. If you're someone who doesn't have access to a gym or simply doesn't enjoy going to one, then these tips will be perfect for you. Tip 1. Watch your diet. The first tip for losing weight without going to the gym is to watch your diet. You don't have to follow a strict diet plan, but you should try to eat a balanced and healthy diet. Make sure you're getting enough protein, fiber, and healthy fats in your meals. Avoid processed foods and sugary drinks as much as possible. Instead, opt for whole foods like fruits, vegetables, and lean meats. Tip 2. Stay active throughout the day. The second tip is to stay active throughout the day. Even if you're not going to the gym, you can still find ways to move your body. Take the stairs instead of the elevator, go for a walk during your lunch break, or do some stretching exercises while watching TV. The more you move, the more calories you'll burn. Tip 3. Incorporate strength training at home. The third tip is to incorporate strength training at home. You don't need fancy equipment to do strength training exercises. You can use your body weight or simple household items like water bottles or cans as weights. Focus on exercises that work multiple muscle groups like squats, lunges, push-ups, and planks. Tip 4. Get enough sleep. The fourth tip is to get enough sleep. Lack of sleep can lead to weight gain as it affects your metabolism and hormone levels. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night to ensure your body is well rested and functioning properly. Tip 5. Stay consistent. The final tip is to stay consistent. Losing weight takes time and effort, so it's important to be patient and stay committed to your goals. Make small changes to your diet and lifestyle and stick to them. Track your progress and celebrate your successes along the way. Conclusion. So, there you have it, some tips on how to lose weight without going to the gym. Remember, losing weight is not just about going to the gym, but also about making healthy lifestyle choices. I hope you found these tips helpful. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching.